Imagine you're sitting at your desk, frustrated. Ever had one of those moments when you're trying to make a call, and your phone just doesn't cooperate? Or maybe you're looking to switch phone providers, but aren't sure if your current device will cut it. Well, if you're an Ooma user, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of Ooma compatibility and figuring out exactly what phones can play nice with this popular VoIP service. So let's get right to it. What phones can you use with Ooma? 1. The basics. VoIP explained. Before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly recap what VoIP is. It stands for Voice over Internet Protocol, and it's essentially a way of making phone calls using the internet instead of traditional phone lines. Ooma is a popular VoIP service that offers both home phone and business phone solutions. Ooma's compatibility. Ooma is generally compatible with a wide range of phones. However, there are a few factors to consider. 2. Phone types. Landlines. If you're a traditionalist and prefer the good old-fashioned landline, you're in luck. Ooma offers a variety of landline phones that are designed to work seamlessly with their service. These phones often come with features like caller ID, voicemail, and even Bluetooth connectivity. VoIP phones. Of course, Ooma also supports VoIP phones. These are specifically designed to work with internet-based phone services like Ooma. VoIP phones often offer advanced features like HD audio, call waiting, and conference calling. Smartphones. And then there are smartphones. Most modern smartphones are compatible with Ooma. You can use your smartphone as a VoIP phone by downloading the Ooma app and setting it up. This gives you the flexibility to make and receive calls from anywhere. 3. Compatibility factors. Operating system. While most smartphones are compatible, there are a few exceptions. For example, older smartphones running outdated operating systems might not be fully supported. It's always a good idea to check Ooma's website for the latest compatibility information. Network compatibility. If you're using a smartphone with Ooma, make sure your phone is compatible with your internet service provider's network. This is especially important if you're using a mobile data connection. Ooma device. The type of Ooma device you have can also influence compatibility. For example, if you're using an Ooma Telo, you'll need to make sure your phone is compatible with the Telo's DECT technology. 4. Troubleshooting tips. Common issues. Even if your phone is theoretically compatible, you might encounter some issues. Here are a few common problems and their solutions. No sound. Check your phone's audio settings and make sure your phone is connected to the correct audio output. Call quality issues. Ensure you have a strong internet connection and try restarting your Ooma device. Registration problems. Verify your Ooma account credentials and check for any network outages. 5. Choosing the right phone. Factors to consider. When choosing a phone to use with Ooma, consider the following factors. Features. Do you need features like call waiting, caller ID, or conference calling? Budget. How much are you willing to spend on a phone? Usage. How often will you be using your phone with Ooma? Popular options. Here are a few popular phones that are known to work well with Ooma. List of popular smartphones and VoIP phones. Recap. To recap, Ooma is generally compatible with a wide range of phones, including landlines, VoIP phones, and smartphones. However, there are a few factors to consider, such as phone type, operating system, network compatibility, and Ooma device. By understanding these factors and troubleshooting any issues, you can enjoy a seamless experience with Ooma. If you're still unsure about whether your phone is compatible with Ooma, check Ooma's website for the latest compatibility information or contact their customer support. And if you're looking for a new phone, consider one of the popular options we mentioned earlier. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.